Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. This is Erica guys, and what's on the menu today guys, this is some salad. You know, this is a salad that I'm gonna make guys. So it comes with, see all the ingredients that is in this salad. So guys, it already comes with some sauce and some nuts. So I'm just gonna mix everything together. So right now guys, in my sink, in my drainer, I have it. I washed it already one time and I'm washing it again guys. Guys, when you get your salad, you must wash it here. So this one I already have cold water second time on it, and I'm gonna lift this off. Always wash them guys. You wash it and see, make sure there is no bad stuff and rotten stuff in it, and you know, you can wash it with some salt water, but I'm not using salt water today, so I just wash it, lift this off so that the water can drain off for another time guys. So I'm gonna put this to drain before I add the sauce or whatever liquid come in the packet in there with the nuts. So guys, that's one. So I'm gonna put it and over here is some fish guys. I'm gonna make some fish fillet today also. So guys, these are the packages. So this have some dry mango, quinoa. So there you go, quinoa and sunflower seed. So this is what I'm gonna mix in that salad guys. So as soon as it dry off, I'm gonna mix everything together. So guys, now I'm gonna get my fish ready. Right here guys, I'm making some string bean. I already washed the string bean and cut off the top and the bottom of the string bean. And right here I'm cooking the string bean with some salt water. And you can put butter in yours if you want guys. Okay guys, so the mixed vegetable, I'm gonna put it in this bowl. Hope that the bowl is not too small. I think it's too small, but let's see. So I think I'm gonna have to mix this in another bowl guys and then transfer it. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put all the mango, dry mango. Add in the mango. Now I'm gonna put the sunflower seed and quinoa. So this is gonna be nice and crunchy guys. You can get this salad in the supermarket if you are in the US. So that's the quinoa and the sunflower seed. Now I'm gonna add the liquid, which is mango. Another mango sauce. This is a mango sauce with, I'm not sure what kind of oil they use, but okay guys, so guys, I'll be back guys as soon as I mix this in. So guys, this sauce, for those in my house don't like spice, some people not gonna eat this guys. It's sweet, it have a sweet taste, and it's also spicy guys. So if you don't like spice, you go in the supermarket and you wanna try this, you could try it, but it's spicy. So there you go guys, the salad is ready. So now we're gonna have this with some fish. I have some leftover sorry guys, I have some leftover rice guys and some bulgur. So that's what I'm gonna use this with the fish. So this is gonna go with the bulgur and the fish and some leftover rice. So okay guys, the salad is very spicy and it's not everyone in my house can eat spice. So now I'm gonna make some lettuce, cucumber, tomato with sweet pepper for the people who cannot eat spice guys. Alright guys, so I already cleaned the lettuce, peel the cucumber. So now I'm rinsing them off. with cold water. And then I'm gonna strain it off, take out it, run out all the water under the bottom. And now I'm gonna cut this up, guys, so I'll be back, guys, when I cut it up. Okay, guys, this is the second salad: lettuce, tomato, a sweet pepper, and lettuce, tomato, sweet pepper, and cucumber. This one is plain, guys, nothing but the vegetables. Alright, guys, so this is what the people who don't like spice gonna eat. You wash your lettuce, you separate them and wash them, and then you wash your tomato, wash your sweet pepper, peel your cucumber, rinse them off, and you cut up everything. You use your finger to break up the lettuce, because if you use knife to cut lettuce, usually turn red by the next day. So you just use your finger to break up the lettuce, and then you wash the rest of stuff and cut them up and put them in your salad. And there you go. So okay, guys, the fish, I soak the fish, I wash the fish and soak it in some salt water, and I'm washing off the fish now in some vinegar water, and I'm gonna strain it off, strain off the water, because this is fillet, guys, so it's, you know, I'm gonna strain it off. So guys, I'm draining off the water off the fish because I'm gonna fry them. So I'm gonna make sure all the water is run out in the bottom of this drainer or strainer. So when this is, you know, drip off the water, it drip off the water off of it. It already soaked in salt, guys, and this stuff, the flour that I'm gonna use to fry it, I've salt and seasoning it already, so I'm not gonna add no extra seasoning other than the salt that I used to wash it. Okay, guys, so this is the flour. It's a new fish fry or chicken fry, guys, powder. And I find a new way to do this. So I'm just gonna add some water, and I'm gonna mix this together, guys. Mix it together. When you mix this together and it gets thick, then you can just add the fish in there. You just drop the fish in this liquid. See, guys, it's like you're making fritters. But then you're gonna put the fish in this, and then you put it in the oil when you're frying it, and fry it. Fry the fish. So when you're done fry, guys, you won't have a lot of oil in the pot, a lot of flour dust in the pot. I'm so glad the day when I found this thing, guy. I think it's called chicken fry powder, chicken fry mix. So if you can fry chicken, can fry fish. So guys, I'll be back, guys, as soon as I finish mix all this. So guys, yes, this is what the liquid look like. So you just mix, you just keep stirring it, guys, until you get out all the lumps. Once you get out all the lumps, then you can just drop your fish in there. Alright, guys. So okay, guys, I'm gonna get the fish ready to put it in the pot. So guys, this is what you do. You just coat, just put the fish on both sides, so both sides get the liquid. You just put that in. This is the best thing for fried fish, guys. Mercy. Wish I did found this all my life. I would never fry fish with just dry flour. So I'm happy that I found this chicken mix powder. So you just put that in. Keep turning it until it get wet or coated with the flour sauce or flour, whatever this is, mix. And then I'm gonna put it in the pot, guys. So watch the process, guys. So here go my heavy duty skillet. So guys, I'm gonna add the oil. I don't need a lot of oil, guys. So when this oil is very hot, when it get very hot, guys, then I'm gonna put the fish, not smoking hot, but hot enough so that the fish don't stick in the pot. If the oil is not hot, guys, the fish is gonna stick in the pot. So you have to wait until the oil is hot before you put the fish. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna put the fish in. first time you fry, guys, fry it on the back, on the part where you have the skin. That's how you fry it, guys. Alright, guys, so I'll check you back, guys. Okay, guys, so here you go. We're gonna turn the fish. So, guys, this is a good choice to use to fry your fish. Because right there, guys, you don't see no flour, no powdery looking in the oil from the fish. A good way. There you go, guys. Alright, guys, I'll check you back, guys. Okay, guys, the fish all done. This one of them is actually fried, but the rest of them is fried, so I'm going to take them out. I'm going to put them on a rack to drain off the excess oil. This is where I put the fish, guys, so I can get rid of the excess oil. All the excess oil, guys. Get rid of all the excess oil. Alright, guys. Yes, guys, so there goes the fish fillet whitening, for those of us who know whitening. And guys, there's another thought that came to me. If you can't get the chicken mix powder, you can just put some flour. Depends on how much fish you're frying. Put some flour, a little bit of cornmeal, and then you season it up with your powder seasoning and use that to fry your fish, guys. So if you don't want to buy the chicken mix or you don't know where to get it, you can just make your own by mix up some flour with a little bit of cornmeal, some onion powder, garlic powder, and your seasoning salt, and use that to make your chicken or to make your fish. I don't know about chicken, guys, and I am not sure. I'm not gonna use the powder to make chicken, but I'll use it to fry fish, guys. So you can try that. So there you go, guys. I have last 3 pieces of fish, and you look in the pot, guys, there is no floury, powdery anything in the pot, just oil and little burn here and there where the fish burn a little bit. So that's it, guys. So if you're still watching, please subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you so much for your support, and take care of yourself. Until next time, God bless. Yes, guys, with this salad, guys, because quinoa is in it, if you don't want to use starch, you don't have to use starch because quinoa is already in this. So you could just eat it with the fish or with the salad. So guys, I just said, let me come back on the video to say you could have this salad without carb because it already have quinoa, so you just use the quinoa, or you could add some corn if you want.